Hello students, let us try to understand one more problem. Problem number third from the MS Chauhan book, that is chapter number alkene, and question number third is there. What is this? Is JEE advanced book, student, not a NEET book. Just you keep in mind. This is the question somewhat like that. Cyclopentane is there, and here is methyl group is there, students, and this is the this is the group, students. Now you are taking, that is HCl, you are treating with the HCl, dear student. So that is HCl means it will go, that is according to Marconi-Kopp's rule. Marconi-Kopp's rule. Why Marconi-Kopp's? Because there is no peroxide. So in the Marconi-Kopp's rule, what happened, student? Firstly H plus ion attack, student. Firstly H plus ion. So let us do in the detail. I am doing the detail, student, so that you can be able to understand this more easily. So CH3 there, and here a H plus is going to be attacked. So where H plus will attack? Where the electron density is more. Okay. So how it will be there? Attack will be there, students. So what they said, that is what the Marconi-Kopp rule said, student. Hydrogen ion will attack on that double bonded carbon which have more number of hydrogen. So here is only one hydrogen is there, here two hydrogen. So it is going to attack on this position. So let's see, that is what intermediate you are going to get, dear students. So here is the this is supposed to be, students, this is like that. CH3 is as it is, and here is the single. Okay, and here will be the positive charge. Now see, this positive charge is present where this positive charge is present, just next to the ring. So that is, there will be the ring expansion. So you count out, that is 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, right? So what will happen? 6-member ring is stable, 6-member ring will form, students. Okay, then you have to do the counting. So how, where this ring is supposed to be formed, students? So that is it will join, the 6 number is going to be joined here, this position. So like that, this type of compound is going to be formed. Now you count out, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6. On first position, what is this? Is the methyl group are there, 2 methyl group are there. So you can make it like that. Okay, and on first position, and now on the second position also methyl group is there. So like that, this will form, students. Okay, so now here will be, where will be the positive charge, student? You see, that is positive charge is coming to be which position? This 6th position. But what will happen in this case? On the 6th position there will be positive charge, but there will be the shifting, rearrangement in the carbocation will be there, student. So rearrangement in the carbocation, it means if there is a rearrangement in the carbocation, so wait, students, wait, that is the 2-degree carbocation is being formed here, 2-degree carbocation. But here if it is going, so it will be the 3-degree carbocation. So there will be the rearrangement and it will form, that is stable 3-degree carbocation. Okay, so here will be like that, and here will be the positive charge. On this positive charge, what will happen, student? That is here you see, that is Cl will attack, Cl negative charge will attack here, and this will form the compound like this. So here is the one methyl group, one Cl group, and this is. So this is what is the product, right, student? This is the product. Up, dear students, you see the options, which is correct option. This is not correct, this is not correct. Okay, this is also not correct. Correct option is option number C, student. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, friend. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe the channel.